Are you dealing with bloating, fatigue, or gut issues that just won't go away? You might think it's just bad bacteria, but it could be yeast overgrowth or something called biofilms in your gut. Your gut isn't just home to bacteria, but also to fungi like Candida, which is a normal part of your microbiome. But when things get out of balance due to stress, poor diet, and antibiotics, Candida and other yeasts can overgrow. But here's the kicker: they team up with bacteria to create biofilms, which is a protective layer that makes it harder to restore balance. The tool I use with my patients in my functional medicine practice is a product called Biofilm ProBalance from a company called Standard Process. It is a very targeted formula that is designed to break through the biofilms and help restore balance of bacteria and fungi in your GI tract. It contains a powerful probiotic and enzyme blend called BioHMFX plus organic garlic and kale, all shown in lab studies to disrupt these stubborn biofilms. You're getting a blend of beneficial probiotics like Lactobacillus acidophilus, Saccharomyces boulardii, and enzymes like alpha amylase to support digestion and microbial balance. With Biofilm ProBalance, you can support a healthier gut environment, relieve occasional bloating, support intestinal comfort, and promote better digestion. And it's not just theory. Clinical and lab studies show its ability to regulate biofilms, especially those involving Candida tropicalis and harmful bacteria like E. coli. This is advanced support for people who have tried probiotics but have not seen the results they want. If you're tired of guessing what's going on with your gut, or you have persistent bloating or past antibiotic use, this could be your missing piece. Click the link below to learn more about biofilms and Biofilm ProBalance. And if you have any questions, just send us a message. And remember, stay healthy, stay strong. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you to transform your health naturally.